Hello everyone, this is Quincy from Qingdao Ejoy. Now I'm located in our simple room. You can see here's our water automatic flushing system. From here is our drinking line controller, and this one is drinking line management controller. For this one is a water level alarm collector. Here is our drinking line sample. You can see from here it have a lot of different values. This one is normal open value, normal close, normal close. This machine is for medicine. Okay, let me operate it and see our equipment operation.